From Kerala now to Assam. Assam continues to be on the boil due to the citizenship bill which was cleared by the Lok Sabha on Tuesday. Amid heightened security in the state capital Guwahati, members of the Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti held a demonstration outside the state secretariat against the Bharatiya Janata Party, burning effigies of their leaders. Police have imposed prohibitory orders under CRPC Section 144 in parts of the state capital, which means a gathering of not more than 4 people will be permitted. Curbing it down on the protests, Assam police has pressed sedition charges also against a renowned Assamese author, Dr. Hiren Gohain, along with Akhil Gogoi and others. Protesters are saying that the bill is in violation of Assam Accord and is a threat to Assam's land and language, including culture. Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming it is a new path for Indian refugees living in Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh.
The Lok Sabha passed the citizenship bill on 8th of January and its repercussions are still being felt hundreds of miles away in the northeast. The worst hit is Assam, which has seen a series of protests. The state witnessed a statewide shutdown on Tuesday. The next day, various student bodies in Assam were out on the streets to oppose the bill. There were also demonstrations outside the state secretariat against the BJP government in Guwahati. The protesters are against granting citizenship to any illegal immigrant, while the controversial bill seeks to give citizenship to non-Muslim illegal immigrants.
This bill is an unethical, illegal and unconstitutional bill. This bill must be scrapped. We are demanding that this bill immediately should be scrapped. Otherwise, the Assamese people will go for independence, for second phase of independence movement.
Hey, Ketot, as a Samgui Anchalik Sapto Honta, Potimurti Dakoritao, Yarpa Hokia Diva Visaiso, Honagoto Dino and a Montopopa, Teo Biroto Dakibule, Nohola Teo. Ame, Yatu are Vorankor Policy Siski by dog.
What has made matters worse for the BJP government in Assam is the public stance taken by the civil society against the centre. In a scathing open letter threatening further agitation, singer Zubeen Garg termed CM Sonowal as the Khalnayak. The Assam police, cracking down on the protests, have pressed sedition charges on Sahitya Academy awardee and Assamese author Hiren Gohain, along with Akhil Gogoi and others. Breaking his silence, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal made an emotional appeal, harping on his local identity to allay all fears.
অসমৰ ৰাইজৰ খিলঞ্জীয়া ভূমিপুত্ৰসকলক নিৰাপত্তা দিয়া দায়িত্ব পালন কৰাৰ বাবে আমি চৰকাৰ অধিষ্ঠিত হৈছো। সৰ্বকালৰ কাৰণে নাইকিয়া হ'ব কাৰণ সাংবিধানিক ৰক্ষা কৱচ পালেহে আমি আমাৰ মাটিৰ দখলীস্বত্ব নিশ্চিতভাৱে পাম আৰু আমাৰ ৰাজনৈতিক অধিকাৰ চিৰকালৰ বাবে ইয়াক আমি সুৰক্ষিত কৰিব পাৰিম।
The ruling BJP is definitely feeling the heat. Assam BJP spokesperson Mehdi Alam Bora has resigned from party's primary membership. Ahom Gana Parishad has already quit the NDA. The party fears more regional parties could quit its alliance in the northeast.
It's not just the AGP which has severed ties, but even some of the BJP leaders are now putting in resistance within the party, and some have even resigned from their posts. Clearly, the challenge for the BJP in Assam now is not just to firefight the situation, but also to keep its own flock together. With camera person Tapas Baidi, Indrajit for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.